Hello, my beauties and my gentlemen. I hope you all are having a wonderful and healthy day. Today, I am going to be unboxing this Ipsy Valentine's Day mystery bag. I did already open it so I could kind of see what I had to try on and whatnot, but let's open it up. So, this was what was in the bag. The first thing we have is a Pacifica After Sun Cool and Glow Facial Sheet Mask. It has aloe and vitamin C plus candula plus vanilla, and it is 100% vegan and cruelty free. It is a one-use natural fiber sheet mask. So that was the first thing that was outside of the package. I don't know what after sun means. I mean, if you get too much sun, does it keep your tan? And then the second thing I have in here is this Farah brush. It's just a little brush. I used it a little bit today for my under eye powder, and it has room for your finger, which is kind of cool, but just, I don't know, eyeshadow brush, highlighter brush. And the actual bag itself is really cute. I just want to say that. That's pretty much why I bought this, is I really miss their actual makeup bags. So yeah, this is it. And then it says love yourself, which is super cute. And then the next thing we have in here is the Fab Pharma First Aid Beauty Rescue and Relief Mask, Smooth and De-Stress. So this is another facial mask. I wasn't too excited to get two facial masks in one bag, especially, I do prefer makeup in my beauty subscription boxes. I understand there's going to be some skincare, and there has been some skincare I've enjoyed, but there's only 5 products in this, and 2 of them are mask. So the next thing we have here looks like the Ofra Highlighter Blissful. So I have so many of these highlighters, these Ofra highlighters. I've gotten them over the years from, I think, mini beauty subscription bags. I think Allure, maybe Ipsy I've gotten some. I think Birchbox. So I've gotten a lot of these. I wasn't too thrilled. This just seems to make its way through all of the bags throughout the years. But I didn't put any highlighter on because I wanted to see what this would look like. It is a little dark for me. We'll do a swatch. That's what it looks like. It almost looks like it could be a bronzer for me. But in the sake of it being a highlighter, I thought I would put this on. I don't have any blush on either. I don't have my full face on. So wow, that is very highlighted if you like the high pigment. It is a little dark on me, but that's okay. Not everyone is as fair as me. Take it up here. I have a zit on my lips. I don't know if I'm going to highlight that. And then I will take a little, blend this out. I do have some dry skin over there, so it's kind of hard to tell, but I actually think it's fairly pretty. And then the last thing I have in the bag is a Tarte High Performance Neutrals Park Ave Princess Clay Waterproof Bronzer. So I thought I would put this on. I don't have any blush on, but that's okay. Can try this out. I know I do have some of the Tarte blushes that are this size that are very nice. this is a bronzer. That's what it looks like. It doesn't seem to have a lot of shimmer in it, which I typically would like. But let's go ahead and try this. Get that in the hollow of my cheeks. Down the jawline. And then you're supposed to make a 3 with your bronzer. I didn't complete my makeup because I knew this was going to be in here, so. I love using bronzer and contouring the face. It just makes you look thinner. So maybe it's a little darker. I went a little heavy-handed, so I'm just going to take this other brush and smooth that out a little bit. Okay, so that was what's in my Ipsy mystery bag. The bronzer, the highlighter, face mask, and brush. This was $14, so it's $2 more than the normal Ipsy regular bag. I don't know, to me personally, if this was worth $14. I have plenty of brushes. I have a lot of bronzers, but this is nice. I mean, this is a good brand. This I already have gotten from Ipsy at some point, and then the face mask. I'm not like a huge fan of face masks. So anywho, that's what I got. Let me know what you think about this bag, if you got it, if you enjoyed it, if you got the same products. So I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. And as always, thanks so much for watching my video.